So we're heading to the basketball game.
So break the rules, I got you.
Thank you.
Alright, so we got the rest of the food, which is chicken curry, shrimp, some other stuff.
It's actually good curry.
I'm after to my cake is about this.
Welcome, movie fans.
Alright, so we're back in Detroit, Michigan, and then we're coming here at ooh, look at the Jeep. Anyways, we came to pick up some food from Benihana's. Let me get back in the car because it's cold. We just did pick up because, you know, it's been a long flight back, and it's not a long flight, but it's been a long day in New York. Oh my god, what is wrong with this sound? Alright, don't know. Alright, yeah, so back in Detroit. I'm gonna spend a couple days out here with Ian before I go back to Florida. But we just came to pick up some food from Benihana's, like I said, and then we're just gonna head back to the hotel and just eat, because instead of coming to eat, why not just pick it up, head back in the crib where it's warm and nice, we can drink and eat and, you know, just chill. So that's what we're gonna be doing. The hazard thing, it's in the background, kind of sound annoying, but let me go on record and see if we can see Ian coming out with the food. As me turn off the camera, him that I walk come with the food. Yes sir, come and want me to get the food. Try it? No, let me hold it. You don't want me to hold it for you? Okay. Yeah, so we're heading.
She's like, I'm gonna watch this for some walk with. She's like, you were just gonna cut? I was like, no. And then the girl take her name and then she take my name on my phone. Come on. I was like, you see, this is why I got you. She said, what's your name? I was like, I gotta go.
I'm confused. What? One little cute girl that tried to talk to you?
Yeah, and I was like,
Why? They should talk to her.
What was that to her?
Me try driving at the daytime, not nighttime. Like me say, it's a staying type of night, so just like a ease of Benihana's at home with some cartel play, stay in and eat type of night, type of weather. Yep.
Well, I'm next to the line though.
Hey KK squad, it's the next day. We're heading to the basketball
So
game.
break the rules, I got you.
Thank you.
Who's playing today? Piston versus Knicks here in Detroit. I'm back in Detroit, Michigan. This is not Detroit, is it? Oh. Yeah guys, like I was saying, we're at the stadium, the arena for this game. It's the Knicks and Piston playing. Knicks versus Piston here in Michigan. So that's what my Sunday is today. I will show you clips here and there. Oh my gosh, that's how cold it is. I don't know if you can see all of that frosting coming out while talking, but yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Let me show you my fit. That's my fit for the day. Stay tuned for the clips. The arena is called the Little Caesars Arena. How cool is that? Heading there. Yeah, no, I'm gonna leave my car, so I stop, but yeah. It's super cold, guys. Super cold. But yeah, we're almost there. We have to park and then walk to the arena. A little crowded. Game probably start, but yeah. Nice area. I said it's a Little Caesars Arena. We're heading in now.
Somewhere in the dream we had.
Teammates ran up.
Alright, we're about to get some food, but we stopped at this park. Listen, I just love the scenery because I don't see this much in Florida. I don't see this in Florida, so when I see this, I try to take it in. I love it. I guess it's a little stream for the ducks. It's nice. Sunset. Beauty. Oh, it comes from that side. Nice. So we are at this Indian restaurant called the Himalayan Flames. We're gonna try out some food. Tandoori chicken. I don't know what it's called, but it looks good and we're about to eat. Alright, so we got the rest of the food, which is chicken curry, shrimp, some other stuff.
It's actually good curry.
What is it? Chicken curry. Oh, it's a chicken curry. Sorry, it's goat curry. That's funny. But I'm about to eat, guys. Another night out. A bunch of music playing, so I can't really vlog too much. They're out at Ford's Garage. There's some Lincoln punch, but kind of come like rum punch. Salmon, mashed potato, and green beans. Yeah, got his sandwich over there. I want to like a stop and get lunch for me. For the little lunch break we have, I appreciate it. Thank you. New day. More food. Alright, so we are here at the movie theater. Mark! Well, I have nothing to say in my vlog then. We're gonna see the movie Plane. Guys, check it out. Check out the trailer. Cocaine Beer. I've never seen that before. Coming soon. Alright, we're going in. Alright, walking in.
Production live from the stage of the Met.
It's nice in here.
The world's greatest singer.
Come on, after my cake is about this.
Welcome, movie fans. I am Perry Nemrod, and you are watching Perry's Picks, a segment where I
Comfortable
get the
seats for
highlights from my most
$5,
anticipated
guys. Look
upcoming
at
movies.
This is huge. Yeah, this is a huge.
All M. Night Shyamalan movies are appointed viewing for me. He takes big swings and consistently keeps me on my toes with his story.
Alright guys, we stop at this place called Ima, a ramen place. It's pretty cool. I've had food before, it tastes real good. So we're gonna try again.